Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, one of the crypto experts have actually come out to warn every Terra Classic holder that even though this coin is ranked among the top 100, and a lot of people are hoping that Terra Classic can reach 1 penny, but I believe that even though 1 cent is proving very difficult right now. And recently, we saw Terra Classic started to rise. We saw Terra Classic started popping. All hopes are coming back. I mean, some investors that left Terra Classic have actually started buying Terra Classic back. And there is a rumor that even Wells are planning to buy huge amount of Terra Classic. They are planning to invest heavily in Terra Classic. But at least it is said that you still need to be very careful. It's a warning to Terra Classic holders. You guys need to be careful because Terra Classic right now, they have not fully recovered. Even though it looks like everything is fine, even though it looks like Terra Classic will be rising, but the truth is Terra Classic, with that number of supply they have, and right now even the project they have been launching recently, though I believe that it brought some positive impacts because Terra Classic have actually gained millions within few days. More $1 million have invested on Terra Classic within few days. So if you ask me, I would say yes, the project that have been having sales of project that have been having the past few months have been creating some kind of impact, positive impact on Terra Classic coins. But apart from that, you still need to be careful. You don't need to buy huge. Some people are like, okay, if I decide to invest heavily, the truth is, if you're looking for coins to invest huge amount of money, it should not be Terra Classic. Okay, there are so many coins that you can invest, but please not Terra Classic LUNC. So you need to buy just few coins of Terra Classic, but not investing heavily, because Terra Classic, before people can fully trust this coin, people can start pumping the money on Terra Classic once again, LUNC needs to reach at least $7 to $10 billion market cap. That's when I can tell you that now I think yes, people are fully investing heavily on LUNC. But for now, you need to be very careful with Terra Classic because this coin right now, like what happened last month, we saw how Terra Classic really dropped in price. Now dropping another one right now might really push this coin backward, like about 30 or 40% backward. I'm surprised to see the market cap dropping by 40%, but I'm not hoping for this to happen, but just that this is just a kind of a warning. You need to be very careful with Terra Classic. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so once again, thank you for stopping by.